Hi, I am Anji Tatiana Lankudie, and I find it fascinating how art and reason offer alternatives to understand life. We have explored life through criticism in song and the analytical vision of Steve Jobs in a general way. So all this information is connected to life in Colombia, which for many remains a battle against poverty, destruction, and lack of opportunities. Significant gaps persist in education, mm, access to health, and security. But these must be opportunities to grow. In order to break down these blockages that here our beloved Colombia, we must seek purpose and discover our passions. So I invite you to be critical, to be optimistic and proactive, to recognize our inner strengths and to work tirelessly to build a Colombia where passion, innovation, and social justice are the pillar for a full life for all. It is absolutely fundamental that each one of us contributes to this vision. Thanks. Bye.